So it's as simple as opening CaliMoto, setting up a new round trip. It's an evening ride, so I'm gonna set a 45-mile twisty route, and let's have a look at it on the map. Well, an hour and a half, takes us around Cirencester Stroud. It's a 44, that's a pretty decent score. Do we recalculate and see if it'll come up with a better one? There we go. It's a 46, an hour 38. It's just as simple as that. Hit start navigation and off we go. First thing I'm noticing while riding is the screen and the colours and the layout of the actual sat-nav application is super clear on the screen, much easier to understand than Google Maps, and I'm really finding it quite a nice, pleasing aesthetic on the screen as I pull away in third gear like a muppet. Let's try and filter through some of this traffic, shall we? Does he see me or is he blocking me? Go. This is the benefit of riding a bike for sure, this filtering. You just get some knobheads who don't want to let you through, they just can't hack it. So it's immediately found me some really nice twisty roads. I've set it on the twisty preference and it's taken me to a road actually that I know quite well and really enjoy riding. So first impressions are, I'm really impressed with the route it's picked. Particularly in areas like this, obviously it's a 30-mile-an-hour limit here. It would be handy to have a speed limit sign on the screen. So I don't know if I can set that up in the settings or if it's just not available. In terms of the route, CaliMoto is doing a good job here. So you might be wondering how I've got the phone set up on my dash here, and it's a really simple solution, and it's the one I believe is actually the best solution out there, and it's QuadLock. I'm not sponsored by QuadLock, no affiliations. However, I did have a look at quite a few different options in my local motorbike store, and QuadLock just looked the best. There is another one that I'll put on the screen that I've seen recently that I think looks really good as well. So if you're looking for something to mount your phone on the dashboard or on the handlebars, sorry, you've got a couple of really decent options that I think are probably the top two. In terms of power to your phone, which you're probably going to need, QuadLock now do a wireless charging system that I haven't got. It wasn't actually available when I first set up my bike for having my phone on the handlebars, but that is available now. What I've done, however, is got an Oxford USB charger. It's powered and routed under the seat. I think it's connected into my indicator circuit so that it doesn't drain the battery. So I'll put links down in the description to all of that stuff so you can check out how I've connected it all up. Once again, CaliMoto has found some nice twisty roads. It's pissing wet all over this part of the corner. It is picking roads that I deliberately go out and choose to ride, so it's really doing a fantastic job at the minute of just leading me on a nice interesting route. Again, it has a couple of times taken me through a lot of 30-mile-an-hour zones. However, it's taken me around some really nice, beautiful Cotswold villages that I haven't actually seen before. So, CaliMoto, you're doing a good job. So what we got here? Another road that I've not ridden on, and I'm getting a feeling it's going to be a good one. My suspicions were absolutely bang on. Another superb road that I've never ridden before. To Sedgebarrow. The road was Winchcombe to Sedgebarrow. I need to remember that bit of road because fuck me, it was incredible. It's a pretty little village as well. Now, I just missed a corner then, and the route was on 30 miles to go. And it's recalculated, and it's taken me to 39 miles to go. So it's added on 9 miles, and I'm not keen to do that, because we're, as you can see, the sun is fairly low in the sky. We're going to be running out of sunlight. So I'm running out of light to film. I've got about halfway through my CaliMoto route, and I have to say the random round trip feature is fantastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head straight home now. I will just show you Winchcombe, which is a beautiful quintessential Cotswold village. All the Cotswold stone and beautiful architecture.